Psycho.
Go turn on my car, dude. Give it a go. This is me with the Flowmaster on it. It's pretty tight. Give it some gas.